Estate planning mistake number 3. I have a living trust, so my successor trustee will be able to step in immediately and handle everything for me just fine if I'm ill, disabled, or pass away. Well, that's what should happen with a living trust, but it requires the little details be done properly. What do I mean? First of all, the documents have to be correct, the correct documents with the correct provisions. For example, if your power of attorney document you should also get with your trust do not have the proper what are called HIPAA provisions in them, then your successor trustee may have to stop in court first at an expense and delays before they'll be able to handle your affairs. And beyond that, you have to have the right provisions in a durable power of attorney for property beyond just your living trust to make sure that certain decisions can be taken care of properly and promptly. Things like applying for Medi-Cal nursing care benefits or doing certain last-minute, very important estate tax planning. And you need to have, beyond the trust itself, the proper health document to make health decisions. The living trust only handles financial matters. You need the most recent version of the Advanced Healthcare Directive. You need all of these documents, and they have to be done properly. But beyond that, you need, and your successor trustee needs, the proper tools to be able to implement the provisions in these documents. Let me give you just 2 examples of what sets apart the Kavesh Minor and Otis Living Trust Plan. Along with these documents, your successor trustee and your health decision maker gets this special ID card. This to be used in medical emergency so that immediately the doctor, the hospital, can have a copy of your HIPAA authorization document and your Advanced Healthcare Directive. On this card, they have immediately the name and phone number, the contact information for the person making your health decisions, and even your certain medical conditions or allergies. This little card makes a huge difference between just having a stack of legal documents and having them work properly for you when the time comes. Another good example of what sets apart our living trust plan is what we call our trustee manual. This trustee manual is a step-by-step guide to the trustee of the details that have to be taken care of properly and promptly if you're ill, disabled, or pass away. Inside this manual, we even include a quick start DVD so that very quickly, in 30 minutes or less, your successor trustee can be brought up to speed immediately of what they need to take care of. These types of tools help make sure that your plan is properly implemented. Experience and expertise do count in estate planning.